Hello viewers, welcome to my study channel Study with Master Notes. Today I will discuss communication games for effective teaching learning, which is a bit number C, Sat Notes of IGNO exam CTE 3 Certificate in Teaching of English Teaching Strategies Sat Notes. So here I will give you clues and tips how to write Sat Notes on IGNO English exam to score good marks, means 60 or 70 above marks inside the CTE 3 program. So let us discuss communication games for effective teaching and learning. So please viewer, go to my previous videos which already I have discussed bit A, B answers, adapting materials and questions also. So keep watching till the end of the video and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start communication games for effective teaching learning process. So first of all, what are the communication games for effective teaching learning? I will describe here. As a teacher of English, we may use our imagination and bring in as many innovations as we can to make the classroom a lively, interesting place for students of English. So here, the classroom should be lively and interesting is utmost importance. Means it's a learner-centric approach inside the classroom. So we should make the classroom lively through our imagination and innovations. Then it becomes necessary for us to create situations in a classroom where we give students an opportunity to respond to a particular situation with the help of language inputs which she or he has already mastered. So here we should give more extra knowledge to the learner, means we have to extrapolate more question to the learners and we should go beyond the textbook text lines. Then an amount of control freedom in a situation will have to be provided so that the students learn to communicate. So we should help the students how to communicate inside the classroom and outside the classroom in English. So a controlled freedom of situation we have to inculcate in our classroom. So means a freedom is given to the students, but it is a controlled freedom. So more freedom, if we give more freedom to the students, then the situation will become noisy. So we have to handle that situation. Then there is another important point which a language teacher has to bear in mind, and that is making the students learn through use, which naturally implies that the target language they come into contact with should be real, that is authenticate, appropriate and global. So here the target language should be authenticate, appropriate and global. So we have to give them proper knowledge inside the classroom, in English teaching classroom. As a teacher of English, you should give authentic, appropriate and global text material inside the classroom and speak in English and try to motivate the learners. Then come to, there are numerous ways of bringing communicative situation in the classroom. We like to try out or adopt the simple yet useful games in our classrooms. So first one is warm-up activities and icebreakers activities. A teacher always needs to keep in mind the function of warm-up activities. These activities motivate the students towards learning the language. These exercises can provide an excellent means of breaking the ice. Means when an ice is formed, the ice is hard to break. But when it is breaking, it melts to water. So teacher always need to keep in mind the function of warm-up activities. These activities motivate the students towards learning the language. Then come to next point. It generates some fun and energy and claiming involvement from the whole class. It develops speaking situation and spontaneity. So here, speaking situation and spontaneity is utmost importance, important points. So you have to note down the points and note down all the lines in your notebook. Please take your pen and notebook simultaneously. When I am detecting all the points, you should take a note. If these activities are taken up in the beginning of the lesson, they are called warm-up activities. So already I have discussed the warm-up activities. Then come to example. So what are the example? So here headlines. I have taken from class 6 book Honeysuckle example in this short notes. You can take another book's example as per your convenience. So here let's see what are the example. By writing some headlines on the blackboard, a language teacher can extrapolate more questions from students. So this is class 6 book Honeysuckle is the chapter name. So here is a Patrick is a boy, a little man is there. So what are the story and how to extrapolate more question to the learners, I will describe. So what is Patrick's thinking? So Patrick's thinking is a main headlines. Little man grant a wish. Here is another headlines. Then come to Patrick's wish. Here is another headline. Then little man needed Patrick's help. Another headline. Then Patrick's help. Then Patrick's homework. So we should ask more questions on how is Patrick's thinking. What are the Patrick's thinking? What are the Patrick's wish? How a little man grant a wish of Patrick? How Patrick help to the little man? What is Patrick's homework? In this way, we can extrapolate more question to the learners. Here the teacher asks students to discuss the above headlines in pairs. Then 2 or 3 pairs can report to the class what they have discussed. Then ask them to read the story silently. Then tucking him down. In this activity everybody has a partner who is both close to and faces him or her, holding eye contact the whole time. Both are asked to talk to each other at the same time about a given topic for a given period of time, initially about 30 seconds then a minute. So in this activity everybody has a partner who is both close to and faces him or her. So tucking him down approach, we have to maintain a direct contact with the learner approach. Means we have to make arrangement of bench and tables. Then the learner can accommodate themselves and they can talk to each other for a given time. For example, there are many topics which can be discussed through this activity, such as everything that happened to me from the time I wake up this morning. Means tell your favorite fairy story, try to sell some kind of product. This type of activities we should perform in the classroom. These activities create a lot of noise and laughter and could also to be used as icebreaker activities. So here, tell your favorite fairy story and try to sell some kind of product is a very interesting and funny environment for the learners. Then color class. Players work in pairs, each partner choosing a different color. She or he says in his or her favorite. After a minute of thinking, each student turns to his or her partner and tries to persuade him or her that his or her own color is far better and is one that should be adopted. Any argument or persuasion can be used. So here argument and persuasion can be used inside the classroom. A sits on a chair and B has to stand up. Within 2 minutes, B has to use any means whatsoever except physical violence to persuade A to give up his or her chair so that B can sit on it. So we should check to the learner that no physical violence inside the classroom and no indisciplinary behavior inside the classroom and no noise inside the classroom. Then now A, to do the persuading. So here persuading techniques should be practiced inside the classroom. So as a language teacher, you should ask the students, they can ask more questions or persuading technique to their partner. So here first thing is persuade your partner to turn the TV over to a program that you want to watch. So if you want to watch a serial over a sports, then you try to persuade your partner to change the TV channel of serial over sports. Then persuade your brother or sister to lend you the thing she treasures most. Your brother or sister has something with him or her that is very essential also to you. So you have to persuade your brother or sister to lend you the thing for some days or for some times. Then persuade your father to increase your pocket money. So here persuade your father to increase your pocket money is also an important thing inside the classroom activities. So in this process, a learner can teach the use of please word, please, kindly, this type of words inside the classroom. Then these exercises call for more ingenuity and invention. The aim within the pressure of limited time to cause the persuader to push his or her ideas through. So these exercises call for more ingenuity and invention. The aim within the pressure of limited time to cause the persuader to push his or her ideas through. Then communication. What are the communication? A series of short exercises to be tried in pairs to explore various means of communicating in the class. So for example, what they did over the weekend in pair. Okay, so communication, a series of short exercises to be tried in pairs to explore various means of communicating in the class. So what they did over the weekend in pair. Then word associations. Example, first person starts with a noun, that is book. Second person quickly says the first association she or he makes with that is English book. And third adds says stories and so on. So these are the word associations inside the classroom. So we have to make the pair inside the classroom and these association talk to each other about a subject or a theme. Then commentaries. They can all be single person activities. So a single person inside the commentaries give comments on a specific event. So players pretend they have a microphone or a telephone and give a running commentary into it like a radio sports commentator. So you have seen as in the television various type of commentary is given by various players as you like Ravi Shastri or Sachin Tendulkar or Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So these are they also practice commentary on sports. Then that is for example driving a car, giving commentaries of what the driver is doing. So how to drive a car, giving commentaries of what the driver is doing is also the example of commentaries. So here driving a car, giving comments of what the driver is doing is also an important things inside the communication game. So please like, share and subscribe the channel viewers and see all my videos in which I have given all answers of IGNOU City Certificate in Teaching of English exams. Thank you viewers.